Here. Have a look at this one. NASA. What the spirit level's for, or the bricks, I'm not sure. Mission control. Love it. Do you know, that fella on the back wall there came from Saltburn. It's only 5 miles down the road. And one of these little ones just might, you know, put the feet on the moon. How do you know, eh? With a bit of imagination and a fair amount of overacting, we're going to take this one to the moon! Hey, here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
Anyway, we better not stay here all day. I'm feeling a bit car sick. Well, spaceship sick. So let's bring it back down again. Don't go to the moon unless you've been trained properly. Anyway, that's the end of that video, and I'll see you on the next one.